There's honestly nothing better than a soothing bowl of noodles when it's raining outside. Ek bowl to banta hai, but definitely not the maida noodles this time. For me, the rains and noodles always come together, so I'm taking a little trip down memory lane, making my version of an extra cozy noodle bowl with a spicy, cheesy twist. I am using wicked good chili cheese Korean instant noodles for this recipe, and they work perfectly in this too. They're spicy, cheesy, comforting, and exactly what I want during the monsoon season. Plus, they're made with the goodness of whole wheat, have no maida, no palm oil, and no MSG. They're also a source of protein and fiber, which makes this feel like a smarter way to enjoy barish and noodles. Honestly, this might just be my new favorite comfort meal.